When I spoke to Rajanji and he was like, Tasneem, you will love the character and you will never regret taking this character. I promise you. She is today's mother who's educated and she wants the best for her child. People wait for Rakhi Dave to come on screen and bajao everybody's band. Honestly speaking, I take it as a compliment and love the compliment. But the thing is, what I have heard on my Instagram profile and the comments, the DMs which I keep receiving, that people wait for me. People wait for Rakhi Dave to come on screen and bajao everybody's band because she is the only character who's got guts to stand and speak truth on the face, expose people. She says black go black and white go white. She never mixes or minces her words. So that's the reason people love her.
How was this character offered to you?
Oh my God. This character, so COVID had just started. We were just at home. The schooling was happening from home. It was difficult for us because we had never experienced that. One fine Sunday, I was sitting with my daughter and doing her maths. And all of a sudden, the phone rang and it said, Rajanji wants you to play this particular character, and though this character it's like a guest appearance, but would you be interested? So I was like, in COVID times, okay. And then the name was Rajan Shahi. So for me, it was like when I got pregnant and delivered my baby, and I used to see some of his shows. And I was like, yeah, I want to work with this man. So when this show was offered, for me, it was like, I'm not doing this role just for the heck of doing it. I'm doing it only for Rajanji. When I spoke to Rajanji and he was like, Tasneem, you will love the character and you will never regret taking this character. I promise you.
So you mentioned it was a guest role.
It was a guest appearance. It was just for 3 months.
And then it just worked.
It was a cameo just for 3 months. And then the rest is the history. The rest is the history. The character just took over the track. When I took up Rakhi Dave's role, it was a conscious thing because she is opposite Anupama. She talks something which hurts Anupama. She is negative. But if you go to see Rakhi Dave, every mother is Rakhi Dave because she will never want her daughter to go and into a family which is lower than their own standard. She will never wish bad for her daughter. She is today's mother who's educated and she wants the best for her child.
Yes.
Don't we all mothers want it?
Absolutely, absolutely. And this brings me to something else that I've been thinking about. There's a lot of talk about feminism, women's empowerment. What is your take on Hindi television's relationship with women empowerment? And has that changed over the last 20 years?
It has changed, honestly speaking. Now, if you see the show like Anupama, where a lady, after being married for 25 years, stands for herself, takes a decision, moves out of the marriage, gets married, wanting to make a career. This is something which is inspiring the world, and that's the way it should be. Why not?
Yeah.
Even it has been shown that Anupama is not educated. But she doesn't have a shame for that. She's facing it, she's learning it, and she's putting her best foot forward. So it is not regressive at all. Every family has Anupama. Every mother is Anupama. If you go to see, they are not that educated, but some way or the other, they are doing a lot for their family, but they don't have guts to move out. This show is teaching them, take an action, stand for yourself. Do things for yourself. It's not always about your family. It's about your own self too. Indian people are so dependent for their entertainment on Indian television series that somehow we have to show something which is now progressive. Ho gaya. But yes, in what is happening in today's television, I really support it.
Yeah.
I really support my show Anupama. Whether it is Rakhi Dave, whether it's Anupama. Both the characters, they are right in their own way.
They're foils to each other.
Absolutely. Two different characters, two different human beings. They're different.
But both empowered in their own way.
Yes. And it is teaching people to come forward and start standing on your foot and taking a strong decision for your own self.
Definitely.
Do not be dependent on your family. Do not be dependent on your children. Not to be dependent on your husband.
Yeah.
Because the relationship is of equality now.